Before the noise, before the demands, there is this. A quiet promise painted across the sky. A new day, and with it, a simple opportunity. This isn't about a fleeting burst of energy. It's a fundamental truth. Every single day, you get to choose your mindset. The world will present its chaos and challenges. That part is not up to you. You can't control the traffic or the deadlines, but you must control how you see yourself within it all. You are the narrator of your own story. Will you write a tale of reaction or one of intention? You can choose discipline over doubt. That means putting on your running shoes when your bed feels warmest, opening the journal when your mind feels blank. It's the consistent act of showing up for the person you want to become. You can choose peace over panic. It's the conscious decision to take a breath before you reply, to find stillness amidst the storm. It's the quiet confidence that you can handle what comes your way because you are resilient, and you can choose faith over fear. Faith not in a guaranteed outcome, but in your ability to navigate the unknown. Fear whispers what could go wrong. Faith asks, but what if it goes right? Every morning, you face that fundamental question. Will I shrink from the challenge, or will I rise to meet it? Inspiration is not a lightning strike. It is a fire you build within yourself, one small choice at a time, beginning in the quiet moments of self-reflection. So, wherever you are, take a deep breath. Feel the air fill your lungs. Remember that you possess everything you need to inspire yourself. The strength, the courage, the discipline, it's already there. Today is your day. Choose to see it. Choose to own it.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.